Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. An early happy Valentine's Day to you all. So today's look is dedicated for Valentine's, and it is a quick and easy red lip makeup look. Recently I have purchased a bunch of new products which I haven't tried out, so I will be trying them out in this video, but if you would like further detailed reviews on these products, then please do let me know in the comments section below. So I have already filled in my eyebrows and I've set them with this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. Oh my god, this gel literally fixes your brows in place. It is so good. And I'm going to begin by priming my face, and I'm using the Benefit Pore Professional Primer. I love the texture on this primer. It is so soft. Next, I'm going to go in with the Ordinary Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm just using the Tarte foundation brush to buff this into my skin. For concealer, I'm going in with the Ordinary High Coverage Concealer, and I start by applying this under my eyes. So this concealer is quite thick and creamy in consistency, so I'm going to go in with the 142 Concealer Buffer Brush by Zoeva and buff the concealer into place. It is full coverage and it has covered my dark circles. So far it's not looking too bad, but as it is a thick concealer, you will have to work with it pretty quick. Then I'm just going to take my damp makeup sponge and pat everything into place. To set my base in place, I'm using the Nars powder and a big powder brush by Lottie London. Now that I'm happy with my base, I'm going to go in with the Stoned Rose Beauty Instant Look Inner Palette by Charlotte Tilbury, and it's a 5-minute face on the go palette. I'm excited to try this palette out as it has pretty much everything you need in one palette. As you can see, the palette is numbered, which makes it so much easier, and you can go in and just follow the steps. So I'm going to begin with number 1, and this is to brighten the eyes. I'm applying this to my brow bone and the first third of my eye area. I'm just using a small flat shader brush to do this. And then I'm going to take number 2, and this is to enhance the eyes. I'm just going to pat this from the center of my eye towards the outer corner of my eye. Now, taking the shade 3, which is to smoke the eye, I'm going to take a blending brush and apply this over my eye crease area, and then blend the eyeshadow outwards. Using the same shade number 3, I'm taking a pencil brush and applying this to my lower lash line. I'm going back in with the shade number 1 in the inner corner of my eyes. Now it's time to bronze, so I'm taking number 4 and I'm using this Ella Mask contour brush to place all the areas I want to contour. My cheekbones, forehead, sides of my nose and my jawline. And then using the same brush, I'm just going to go in and blend this out and buff it upward. For blush, here we have 2 options. So we have number 5 and number 6. I'm going to go in with number 5 and then pat this across my cheek area using the Ella Mask blush brush. And then I'm going to go in with number 6. And slightly smiling, I'm going to apply my blush where I'm smiling, blending it upwards. Finally, I'm going to take number 7 and use this to highlight the high points of my cheek and working it upwards just above my brow. So I'm taking almost like a C motion. So to bring the eyes out, I'm just going to take the Huda Beauty eyeliner, and using the pencil side, I'm going to apply this to the inner upper part of my eye. This will just bring out my lash line too. And for mascara, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Baby Doll Mascara, and don't forget to mascara your bottom lashes as this will enhance your eyes. For lips, I'm going in with a Kiko lip liner, and I'm using the shade 706 and applying this onto my lips. For lipstick, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Mini Bullet Lipstick in the shade El Cinco De Mayo. I think I pronounced that well. It's this mini red lipstick. Oh my god, the colour is so beautiful. And I love how this applied on. It glided on the lips so smoothly, given that it is a matte lipstick, and it felt really hydrating. So I would definitely recommend this. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will link all the products I've used in the description box below. Please do show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't done so already, hit the notification button so you'll know every time I've uploaded a new tutorial. Take care for now, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!